There are now several rather easy ways to generate some more cash. And the best part is you have to complete them right from your house. This video aims to demonstrate 17 ways to make money from home the lazy way. Lazy ways to generate income from home. Let's first talk about the first slothful way to make money from home. Since you have to eat regardless, why not profit from it? Food producers are quite interested in the opinions of their possible customers on their products. Before starting major production, they want to try food and ensure people love it. For testing pizza, ice cream, or other frozen or breakfast items, companies including McCormick or Schwan Food Company may compensate you as much as $15 per test. You could either earn up to 10% cashback on dining through Dosh or become a restaurant tester and submit comments after an app visit to a new restaurant using Survey. One thing is certain, getting paid to sleep is just too lazier approach to generate money. How does it run? Most usually, one does sleep study or clinical testing. Individuals are paid to sleep as universities or hospitals investigate how factors like brainwaves, heartbeat, or sleep respiration might affect behavior. Participants at the University of Colorado Boulder were once paid $2,450 for an 8-day sleep study. Alternatively, check out sleepstandards.com, where candidates are compensated $2,000 to spend 5 nights sleeping in different settings, and 1 night is in a luxury 5-star hotel. Alternatively, you could go to the company each night where you get paid to try sleeping-related items like mattresses or bedding. Participants in a nap study spanning 30 days received $1,500 in compensation. 3. Get paid to capture videos and photographs. If your phone is full of photos and videos, check out the app Fope to assist you generate money from home, and in a quite lazy way. Simply upload your videos or photos using the app. If your work is purchased by a corporation, agency, or someone, you get compensated. You can also engage in Fope missions, which ask you to photograph or record videos of specific items. These have rewards between $30 and $500. 4. Get paid to watch videos. Watching videos all day, one might really make money. This really does work and is totally legitimate. You might investigate several locations. Among the most often used sites is Swagbucks, where you earn points for each short video clip you watch. These points can eventually be used to make PayPal money or Amazon gift cards. Another program you should examine is Viggle. You can get paid here for watching your favorite movies and shows on television, Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon. Kindly help to subscribe and like my channel. This will motivate me to continue to produce good content. 5. Get paid to shop. Get paid to shop via apps like Ibotta and Rakuten, which offer incentives and cashback for buying. Ibotta provides cashback on household products, groceries, and more. Earnings per item purchased range from a few cents to several dollars. Earnings typically range from 1% to 10% of your transaction amount. Rakuten offers cashback and discounts at a wide range of retailers. For example, you would probably get $5 if you buy $100 at a 5% cashback retailer via Rakuten. 6. Get compensated for using Google or other search engines. You can even get paid for anything as simple as using search engines. For example, Swagbucks rewards people searching online using its search engine. Users get Swagbucks points for every search. These may be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Likewise, QMe offers cash rewards for internet searches. Earnings range from a few cents to several dollars every search or click on sponsored results. For clicking on a sponsored link, a user could earn 10 cents, for example. 7. Get paid to use data collection tools. Are you looking for more means of money not working anywhere? Then download and set free data collecting apps like Nielsen, DataCoop, or Mobile Expression. They compile your anonymized phone information and use it for consumer research. These apps allow you to roughly $15 to $20 weekly passively earn. 8. Get paid to walk. Even the laziest people sometimes go for a walk or engage in some kind of physical activity. Do you know of programs paying you for it? Examples include Sweatcoin, which converts steps into a digital currency usable for goods or services, and Achievements. Typically, every mile of walking or similar physical activity, it ranges from 5 to 10 cents. Keep in mind that these revenues rely on your individual usage as well as app particular incentives or bonuses. Though it provides a straightforward way to earn more money while still active, it could not produce a whole income with this method. Kindly help to subscribe and like my channel. This will motivate me to continue to produce good content. 9. Get paid to chat in English with others. Teaching English is certainly not a dozing way to make money from home. But what about simply discussing things with someone? One platform, Cambly, pays you to conduct one-on-one sessions with individuals all around to help them improve their English language competency. You are not required to hold a teaching certificate or a bachelor's degree. Not even teaching experience is required. Working on Cambly Kids nets you $12 an hour. Otherwise, your pay, $10.20 per hour, results from per minute conversation. Payments are made every Monday using PayPal. 10. Sell your items online for money. Another easy way to earn quick money is to declutter your home and sell unwanted things. You will find that used electronics, books, clothes, furniture, and anything else inside your home you don't need anymore can be sold. Just snap some photos and sell them on Poshmark, Bookscouter, OfferUp, or Facebook Marketplace. Your potential profits, either a few $100s or more, are dependent on what you sell. 11. Earn money for gaming. Do you enjoy whiling away your time gaming on your phone or computer? Why not earn money for it? There are various ways to begin. One is by using Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars to get points for playing brief games inside the apps. The points are then exchanged for PayPal, cash, or gift cards afterwards. Another alternative is gaming coaching. Help other people become skilled at particular online games or esports. Payment usually here is between $20 and $200 per hour. 12. Make money selling ad space on your car. If you own a car, you can join websites like Carvertise, Rapify, or Sticker Ride to look for a company that would be interested in putting advertising stickers on your car. They might be big international brands like Pandora or Expedia, or local businesses like restaurants or hairdressers. Being a rolling billboard can earn you $100 to $400 per month. 13. Have rent your car paid. If you have a car, another option is to hire it out on days when you won't be using it. To get locals, tourists, or professionals to hire out your car on an hourly or daily basis, you can list it on websites like HireCar, GetAround, or Turo. Hiring it out 10 to 14 days a month can get you $800 to $1,000 per month on autopilot. 14. Get paid for hiring out your parking space. And third, there is a do-nothing way of making money off your car by renting out your parking space if you have one. Many people would pay to park their cars. Promote your parking space by going on sites like Just Park, Your Parking Space, or MobiPark. Your do-nothing money will be in the range of $50 to $500 depending on where you are and for how long you lease. 15. Make money testing websites. It sounds long and complicated, but it is not. Simply sign up at a testing site such as User Testing, User Feel, Testing Time, or Check ALOS. Today, you browse through some websites or applications to look for bugs or something that can be fixed. You record yourself as you go about the website or apps or report afterwards. For a 10 to 30 minute online test, you can usually earn around $10 to $20. If you do a live chat, you are likely to be paid up to $165 for a live test. Kindly help to subscribe and like my channel. This will motivate me to continue to produce good content. 16. Get paid to write book reviews. Do you enjoy reading? Why not start making money, summarizing or sharing your thoughts about books you've just finished reading? This is completely a lazy means of making money in your pajamas and staying in bed all day. Sign up with sites like Online Book Club, Women's Review of Books, InstaRead, or Writerful Books, and make up to $100 per review or summary. 17. Get paid to test products. This is quite akin to website testing. You register with product testing websites and subsequently you receive the products that you need to test. You may get items like electronics, beauty products, foodstuffs, household utensils, clothes, or something else. Depending on the company, you write a review of the product or record yourself testing the product. In most instances, you get to keep the product later, whereas other, more detailed tests reward you $100 to $500 per test. The smaller tests reward you approximately $10 to $20 per test. What do I need to want to earn money from home the lazy way? The lazy way to earn money from home requires only a few basic essentials. You would require a steady internet connection to access online platforms with money-making opportunities like watching movies, playing games, and passive earnings. It is quite easy to keep track of computer or smartphone use. Your research methodology will determine whether basic skills or know-how would be of value. A separate workstation would enhance efficiency even though it is not absolutely required. Start making money at home today. There are some wonderful methods of making money from home the lazy way, as you can see. Some of them even make money in the form of passive income. It does not get any better than that. Most of these ideas probably would not provide you with a full-time income. But you could certainly combine a couple of them together and have a very nice side business using these lazy methods of making money.